Hello everyone, this is Chung. This is the book Digital SAT Math. Okay, someone asked me to review all these tips, 63. Okay, so quickly we can review. Okay, the tips from today. Okay, the original SAT book because tips is the same as the tips in the original book, but this is digital, right? A long time ago, I reviewed some tips already, but we're gonna try again. Okay, yeah, digital SAT math. Okay, yeah, you can if you have the book, read this one. Okay, this one is about non-adaptive or adaptive. Okay, adaptive is what they gave around 22 questions out of 57. Okay, this is the tips and 63. Okay, and there are 15 full set of tests. And then the comparing table, maybe you can guess what your score using this one. Okay, all right, this is the tips one. Tip one are linear function. Okay, linear function. I want to make it big. There are many things you have to memorize. Okay, linear is called linear, right? The line. This is the linear functions. Okay, but that is not a function, still line. Vertical line is what? That is not a function, right? Because some value of x, we have so many valuable y. Okay, except this one, they are function, right? Negative slope, horizontal, and positive slope. But to express the equation for these lines, we have to use 5 different sets. Okay, the first form is what? Slope and intercept form. You have to memorize, okay? Slope and intercept form here. This is the intercept, the y-intercept form. So usually some professors in college, they use this slope and y-intercept form, okay? mx plus b is the y-intercept, m is the slope, okay? That's the slope and y-intercept form. Second one is the point-slope form. Point is given if we have one point given. If the line has a slope is 3, okay, this one the slope is m generally, okay? The equation of this one, y minus y1. This is x1, y point, okay? So y minus y1 and equals slope times x minus x1, okay? That is a point slope form. The next one is general form. General form is y x plus by plus c equals 0, one side 0. This is we said general forms. The next form is the standard form. Standard form is y ax plus by equals c. This side is a variable term, that is a constant term, it's separate. But standard form a, b, c must be an integer, right? That is a standard form. Actually, one more, a is positive, okay? That is a standard form. Standard form is a, b, c. Usually they are integer, and also a is a positive integer, right? In this case, that is called standard form. Another form of it, that the last one, the intercept form. When you have the lines, they have right x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, they are always what these two, right? Okay. In this case, if this is a, this is b, the equation over here, x over x-intercept plus y over y-intercept equals what? That's the equation, okay? This is called intercept form. The property of linear equation, the slope is between any two points, always a constant. It doesn't change. And also what? Between the point, there must be a line, okay? If we have this one, we have 2 points, linear is already line. Okay, this is x1 and y1, this is x2 and y2. Slope is always a constant, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? Change in y over change in x. And it's point of view. But if this is a curve, that is not linear, right? In this case, when you choose like these two, initial and the final point, this slope is called what? Average slope, right? Average. Now this is not constant or not. This is now we said average slope, right? Okay. Average slope is when you make the line through these 2 points. This line is called secant, all right? So slope of secant is average slope between these 2 points. Usually we set, instead of a slope, we use average rate of change, because that is not line, okay? Remember this one, okay? So in the linear equations, the slope is between any 2 points always constant, and the line between 2 points always what? Linear, okay? The line. There are several notation over here. The point, x and y coordinate, we can use this one. This is the point. Usual point is use capital letter, okay? X and y. Also what? P, x instead of y is what? F of x, same thing, right? Replace with f of x. Remember this one, okay? And also sometimes we use this one. F of x equals y, that means what? If x coordinate x, y coordinate y, right? Same things. Example, if we have f of 3 equals to 5 means that indicate a point, negative 3 and 5, okay? So you're gonna try some of questions over here, okay? So this is linear, f of 0 equals 2, f of 3 equals 5. So then k equals f of 5. What is the value of k? Because this is a linear, the slope between any 2 points constant. You can use that property. Okay, first we can try. y2 minus y over here. 5 is y2, 2 is y1, 3 is x2, this is x1, right? Okay, so y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2, 3 minus 0, that is equals 3 over 0 equals 1, right? That's the slope. Or to find this one, we can choose either of this point. I'm going to choose this one, okay? This is 2 and the k, right? K minus 2 and the 5 minus 0. That is equals to still 1, isn't it? So k equals what? 7, right? 7 minus 2 is 5, okay? That's the answer. Or you can use the equation of the line. Easily we can find the equation of the line. Y equals, slope is over here 1, that is x plus b. B is the y-intercept. Still you can determine the value of b, right, using either of this point. When x equals 0, y is 2. Yeah, this is 2. When x equals 0, b is 2, right? It's already y-intercept over here. So this one should be equals 2. After you find the equations, you can find the value of this one, f over 5. Put this number, x is 5. How much? 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay? Another one with number 2. There are many over here. Okay, I'm going to try this number 2, okay? This is also what the linear, right? They said it's linear functions. What is the value of a plus b? So you can try this. The slope is a constant, right? 12 minus a over 1 minus 0. That's the slope. Another over b minus 12 over 2 minus 1. The slope must be constant, right? So this is 1, this is 1, right? Out. So 12a plus b equals b minus 12. Move this one, a to the right. b plus a, isn't it? And 12 move to the left. 12 plus 12 is what? 24, right? So the value of a plus b is 24, okay? That's the answer.